Hey guys, how are we doing? It has been a long while since I last recorded a video for YouTube. Very conscious of that. Now you might be noticing that something has changed from my last video, and it will be this on my head. So that's what this video is about. I have started wearing a hair system. I started wearing a hair system 6 months ago as a bit of a trial for myself personally, as I've always wanted a hair transplant. And this provided me with a cheap alternative to doing so. Purely a test as well, to see how I get on with like washing hair again, having bed head, that sort of thing. But this video is not about, well, it is about this, but it's not about why I'm wearing a hair system. So I noticed within the content sphere, shall we call it, of hair systems that there's not a huge amount of content about how to actually style and maintain your system once you have got it. There are the odd bits and pieces out there that are relatively valuable, but also at the same time not great. So I wanted to go over how I maintain this system. This actual system I've got on at the minute, I've had it for 3 months. Now the previous system I also had for 3 months, but after probably 6 to 8 weeks, I'd lost hair at the front of it, on top of it, and it was in a pretty bad state by the time I changed to this one. But I also, in that time, with this new system, changed what I did to maintain it, and that's what I'm going to go over in this video today. I'm going to try and create it in a way so it's actually like video with me doing voiceover, but we'll see how it works out and how it pans out and what I can basically do from there. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to go through sorting out this mess, turning it into something that actually looks like less of a like bird's nest and more like normal hair. So stay tuned. So one thing I think I should also just be mentioning as well is that what I used to use for my hair was this leave-in conditioner by Palmer's, coconut oil one. And what I've found is that that wasn't great. Chemicals on hair is not a good thing in general, and with any kind of conditioner it just coats the hair because it's oil based. That one is, it's coconut oil, but oil sits on hair, it doesn't absorb and it doesn't moisturize properly, which is why I'm going to basically go over what I do, how I do it, and then we can maybe have a conversation if you're interested in learning more about the products I use, how you can get your hands on them, and what we can do from there. So what I'm using here is a 5.5 pH water. Now that matches the pH levels of our skin and our hair. I spray the hair with the water, brush it through, and weirdly it moisturises the entire hair. What that has meant is that I don't have to use any hair products. My hair barely moves out of place all day. It is clean constantly and workable, and all we could ever ask for, really. And that is that, guys. We have got pretty much decent looking hair again. So if you have found this video valuable, then drop it a like, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. I might be trying to do more like hair system based stuff over time. I don't really know yet. I don't really want to stick away or get away from the travel niche and van life, but this is definitely something I'm passionate about right now. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. If you've any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you as physically, as quickly as I physically can. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. Like I say, it's compared to where it were to where it is, it's polar opposites. So yeah, other than that, guys, I will catch you on the flip side. Ciao.